Hello everybody, this is GeoJoy John, and today I'm going to show you about this device I picked up for Resin 3D printing. Got it for $40 on Amazon, and basically it is a curing box with a UV light so that you can cure your resin prints. So I will assemble this and do a little quick review on it. So I'm not going to do a time lapse or anything. If you want to see that, then maybe on the next video I'll do a how-to, but it's pretty self-explanatory. This is the actual box. It's got a little door here, and inside it has a UV turntable and a UV light and all the tools you need to assemble it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and the next cut will be it assembled. So here's the completed product. It is from Funge. I don't know. I'll put a link in the description. So basically, it's like a gift box with a magnetic snap, and it kind of holds itself together. Inside is a solar-powered turntable, and it's actually moving. I drew a line on it. You can see it's moving, and you know it's solar-powered because there's no battery in it at all. You can put a battery in it if you want, but you notice how the solar panel was spinning a second ago. So you mount the light to the inside. You put the stickers on the inside. It's only supposed to come with 3, but there are 4, so I might do this panel here and just leave enough space to see the product. I don't really need to see it, but so the idea is that you take your model. Here's an Eiffel Tower. I wish I had done right. This is my first complex model, basically the second thing I ever printed. Put that in there. And there's an inline switch right here. You turn it on. It looks cool. It looks funky, and you can see it spinning quite quickly. And the light is bouncing all around. That's the intent. And then you give that some time. And this is a very small, perfect little package for a Resin 3D printer. $40 was a great deal. So I think this is a cool product, and we'll see how it works with a part right out of the resin after I ultrasonic clean it. So I've reloaded the Eiffel Tower print that I broke earlier, and it's starting right now. Same settings, everything should come out exactly the same. So real quick, let me go over my setup. I got the spark maker I got from auction, put a new motherboard in it, it works great. And now I got an ultrasonic cleaner from Harbor Freight with just regular water on the inside, and the liquid inside that bag is Simple Green for awnings. This stuff right here, it's the only Simple Green I could find. I'd rather do that than isopropyl alcohol since it's such in short supply. So I put it on for like 5 minutes at a time, three cycles of 5 minutes, and I use the temperature control to make sure it's nice and warm, and that should work. I haven't done it for a full cycle yet. And now I have the curing station with a little self-turning table. So now I have basically a full resin station ready to go. So this is great. I'm excited about the projects I have coming up, and I want to see how much I can do with just this little cheap machine. Stay tuned. So it's the next day, and I printed the Eiffel Tower on the Spark Maker FHD, and then I ran it through this for one cycle just because I was a little short on time. I actually had to stop the print with like 3 millimeters left, and now it is actually curing inside the cure station. And I can already tell that it's way more clean on the inside, where on this one you can see that a lot of resin got cured inside there and inside there. So alright, I like my workflow. I like the way this is set up. I'm gonna let this cure for a few 15 minutes or so, and then we'll see how the results look. So I really like the results I get with this wash and cure station. So stay tuned for more Resin 3D printing, Iron Man builds, a lot of other projects going on. I appreciate you guys taking your time to watch this. Thanks everyone. Goodbye.